This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so what is the driver dot find element? Find element method will find the one particular element. Yes, so one particular element means any one. Okay, so this one element it is search and then provide the input. Okay, so whatever you are providing input or a click on, that is a find element method. So exactly we have one more method which is find elements, which is this one, find elements method. So find elements method will find the multiple elements which are matching with this expression. Okay, so which is your matching expression? That expression you will provide, and then for that expression how many matching elements are there, it will show. It will return that list of web elements. So it will return the list of web elements, so we will store it in a list. Okay, for example, any method is returning a number or integer, so we will store it in a integer number, right? So it is storing find elements is a method which is returning the list of web elements, so we will store it in a list web element search result. And as it is a list, we can use this research result dot size to display the size. Display the size means how many elements it is find elements is trying to match. Okay, how many elements it is finding, that many are available in this. Yes, so what is the expression what I am passing? Okay, so here is right click inspect. This is the image class is this one. Okay, so I will remove it. Image class is available, yes, image. Okay, search image it is, I will copy it and then I will write a xpath. Xpath is /img, as it is a tag name, square bracket and paste it. Class s image, as it is copied and pasted. Okay, so we are getting 1 out of 25. Means what? 25 images are there. Means 25 images means 25 search results we have got. Okay, so I want to search, or I want to see that whenever I search this one smartphone under 30,000, so on a page 25 search results are displayed and multiple pages are displayed. Okay, so one page 25 results are displayed means 25 images are present. So any item will be with image only. So for image I will write find elements, driver dot find elements. What it will perform? It will find the multiple elements. What multiple elements? This 25. Okay, so I am writing by.xpath I am writing, and then I will give a expression which I copied, this one. Yes, in the double quote. So this is our xpath. Okay, and then semicolon. So find elements is a method which will find multiple elements. Find element, find the single element. Okay, again there is a one more method, find elements, which will find the multiple elements matching with the expression. Which expression? The xpath expression, right? Xpath expression or anything you give. Okay, so the expression how you give, with that it is matching, that one it will show. Able to understand the difference? So it will return. So it will return one web element. Okay, this find elements it will return list of web element. Able to understand the difference? Guys, able to understand? Yes, do we have anyone able to hear me?
Yes,
Able to
Rajni.
understand? Others? Do we have Shubham, Surya, Vasanta?
Yes.
Yes, Rajni.
Able to understand?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
To
I'm getting
practice.
it.
Okay, good. So,
So Rajni, in web find elements, mostly the images will find, right? Because the images will be more, so or it is not like that.
okay, there are many things. Only images are multiple? No, there are multiple. See, there are multiple A tags. How many we are able to find? / A 491. Okay, there are div tags, multiple div. See, 1419 div tags are there on a page. Okay, it depends on a scenario. If I want to see how many links are there, and how many links are not working, how many links are working, for that I want to check how many A tags are there. A tag is for a link. How many frames are there? Okay, 7 frames are there. Iframe, 7 iframe tags are there, means 7 frames are available in this. So not only
Yeah, got
image,
it.
there are
Yeah, yeah, got
many.
it.
And in our scenario, in our assignment, which assignment? Search. See, Amazon you have to launch, and then smartphone under 30,000 you have to give. You have to search it here, and then you have to check the search result are 25 or not. Okay, you have to search and you have to verify that search result is 25 or not. On a page 25 elements are present or not. How you will perform? So the next step you will perform if search result dot size, okay, equals to 25, means test case is pass. Yes, else if it is not 25, you can write else if again, right? So you can write else if, and in that I will write a greater than 25. Okay, so you will write more than 25 items are displayed on a page. So you will write test case failed, more than 25 elements are present. And then again you write else. Now what is remaining? So remaining can be less than 25 only, right? So it is not equal to 25 and greater than 25. If both the conditions are false, then your control will come to here and then these statements will be executed. Yes or no? We know if else. Okay. So test case failed. Less than 25 items are displayed on the page. Okay, and semicolon. Okay, so some meaningful testing we are performing. So in our search result, there are 25 test cases are present or not. Okay. In the search result. Okay, similarly, I will search for a smartphone under 50,000. Okay, just this one I will change. And then get it in 2 days. Click on this one. Okay, inspect it. And this is our class. And then, so span has this one. And then there are so many are there. Okay, so many search results we have got. Delivery in 2 days. And then we'll inspect. And this is the div A section. It is a div. Again, so many are we are getting. ID is available. So 1 of 1. Okay. So with this ID, I can write driver dot find element by dot ID and then click on it. Okay. So after I click on it, get it 2 days. I got a search result. Okay. And then now again I want to check on a page 25 search results are present or not. So 25 or something 30 I want to check whenever some requirements are like that. How you will test? Okay, the elements you want to count. So find elements we will write. Okay, so it is a image and then so we'll write a double slash img as a I will write a xpath. Okay, so we have got a 16. Okay, so we have less results on a page. Okay, there is a some condition. For that we have less search results. So we can give star also, guys. Okay, star means what is this? 0 is added. Yes. So with this we are able to match. Okay, now you can scroll up, scroll down and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Like this 16. What are 16 are there? Okay, so when you give this one, so 16 should be displayed in a page. This is how it is. Okay, so not 25. On a next page again 16 are displayed. On a next page again 16 are displayed. Okay.
So
Okay.
it's counting on one single page how many images are there, right? On a
Yes.
page.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So the requirement is on a page you have to show only 16 search results for a delivery in 2 days. Okay, when you have two criterias, you have only 16 items displayed on a page. So that is how the requirement is. So you have to test it according to the requirement. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, we have to test it according to the requirements. Then obviously we will provide exact details. Okay, so here 16 we will write. Now I will write a same this one condition, but I will write equals to 16. Yes or no? not equals to here it will come as a 16. Okay, the search result dot size. Able to understand, guys? Okay, one thing, tell me, find elements, what it is finding. Shubham, what it is trying to find? It is trying to find multiple elements. Yes?
Hello, yes, yeah. Multiple elements.
Yes. So we have 16 or 25 like that, and then we will use find elements. And so find elements, multiple elements are there and it is a list. So we cannot perform a click operation or a send keys operation because all 16 we will not click at the same time. Yes, right? There will be no testing or no application which will allow 16 elements. No, we cannot perform that way. So one element is there, we can to provide a input. One element is there, we can provide a click operation on it. Okay. So there are different methods we will use for a find element, and there are different methods we will use for find elements. Okay, so find elements as it is written in the list, we will store in a one list, which is a list of web element we specify, and then we will check the count of it. Okay, so this is we perform in the find elements. So the difference between find element and find elements is find element will find a single element and it will return one web element. One element it is trying to search and one element it is giving you in the return. Find elements method, it will perform find elements, it will perform a find operation and it will find multiple elements. Okay, so as it is finding multiple elements, it will return the list, and that list will contain web elements. Yes, question?
No, multiple web element it will contain the list. Yep.
Yes. Yes, it will contain the multiple web elements. Yes.
So just the question, Rajni, again. When we can use the element, find element, and means when we can understand we have to use the elements here now. So when the multiple
Okay.
element,
Okay. So now I want to perform a click operation on one element. I have to use find element. I have
mm-hmm,
to click on a one button. Okay. So this
mm-hmm,
button I want to click on to perform the search. So I have to use find element only, because on a one element I want to perform a action.
correct.
Here I want to perform some input. Okay, test I want to write. Okay, or I want to write some fashion or some fashion outfits or some deals of the day, or something you want to search. Okay, mobiles you want to search, so you have to type in this box on a single box, so you will use find element.
Okay.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
this is what
Yeah,
on
result
a
will be in
registration.
a means more number of results will be there, right? If we
Huh.
perform that action.
Yes. So now I want to type email here. What I will use? What I should use?
Element.
Yes. Password I have to input.
Yes.
And
Yes.
then you store name I have to use. I have to provide a input. So I will use find element. So
Mm,
for example, after I perform some action and then I want to check how many links are present on this page. I just want to print the number of links present on this. So number of images present on this page, number of mobiles present on this page, or number of search results present on page. When number of is coming, then find elements will come.
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So multiple elements all together, grouped all together, and you want to perform counting on it, or a group operation you want to perform. So for example, you want to see the images present, how many are there, and then with images there is a label present, that label you want to print. Then you
Okay.
will use a find elements, because all together you want to perform only one operation, right? On all you have to get the text of that image, get the text of image present on that image. Okay, then you will use find element. So when it is coming the scenario to work with the different elements, similar activity you have to perform, number of elements, you have to count the number of elements, you have to count number of images, count number of links. Okay, count number of buttons on a page, count number of search results on a page, count number of drop downs on a page. So multiple things you, multiple elements you want to work with at the same time. Okay.
So in this case, Rajni, we got a assignment, right? That's a search for the smartphone under 30,000. So
Hmm.
in that case, we have to use the find elements,
Okay, let
right?
me share. Okay, here you have to launch this Amazon site, so you will use driver.get method,
Yes.
right? After that you have to provide a input here, smartphone, or a, what
Mm-hmm.
you will write, find element or find elements.
First of all, we'll find element and then we'll send through send key method.
Yes.
We will
Hmm.
hmm,
Yes,
smartphone.
right. So
Hmm.
find element you will write, and then you will type, you will send keys, you will use send
Yes.
keys, and then again you have to click on a this button. This also click operation on a single means find element you will use.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, fourth step, if I write verify that,
How many elements? No. Hmm.
okay, yes, search result contains 25 images
Yes. Okay.
on a single page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for that, this you have to use a find element.
Elements. Yeah. Got it.
Okay, so search result is displayed or not is again, so you will click on this one and search result, one element you will check, or the page is changed or not, you will check. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so you try it, whatever you can do, whatever questions you are having, you ask it. You make a mistake, fine, but you do, you try it, and then we will discuss again tomorrow. Okay, guys, everyone. Yes, guys, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Rajni.